Welcome back to our channel, and guess what we are going to be doing this evening? Making one of our favorites, congee. With that, I figured I would show you guys the process and how to make congee. Our kids love it; they're obsessed. Kennedy would probably have it every day if she could, huh, Kenny? Kennedy, would you have it every day if you could? It's pretty simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make some rice, and then I'm going to add some meat, and if you're vegetarian you can totally just do veggies, but the key ingredient is the rice. So first I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, so I am using my pressure cooker. I'm going to do 2 cups of rice. I did add some olive oil. I heard that helps it not stick to the pan. I'm using jasmine rice. I like using a white rice for this. So I'm going to go ahead and just cook my rice, and then I'll be back when it's done. Alright, and then over here, Chris is going to be making some carne asada in our smoker. That is what's going to go downstairs. And once that's cooked, I'll show you that too. Alright, this is the smoker. We are obsessed with our smoker. It's a Traeger. How long are you going to smoke them for, Bill?
Not that long, 30 minutes probably.
30 minutes. Alright, we'll come back when it's all smoked. Yeah. Alright, so the rice is now going to be turning into congee. And what you do to make congee is you put your rice in a pot of water, and then you're going to cover the rice with enough water that it's above it. And then you're going to get it to a boil and then let it simmer basically down to a porridge-like substance. So right now it still looks like rice. That's not what we want it to look like. Eventually it's going to look like a porridge, almost like oatmeal. That type of more of a mushy consistency. So definitely not ready. We just did this. It'll probably take me about, I don't know, the congee takes a while. I'd probably say usually about 30 minutes. Maybe an hour, yeah, for it to really get down to the mushy, good
like
part.
A porridge from the Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
So the best thing you can do is, if you're going to make congee, is make your rice during the day ahead of time, so that way you're not taking forever in the evening when you're wanting to have dinner. Okay, and then the bulgogi is actually done. It's Korean barbecue. I thought we got carne asada, but that's right. We chose the bulgogi instead. And then I'm going to make the other garnishes that you can put in the dish to make it taste yummy. You ready for that? Yeah. Say hi. Okay. I have been stirring this rice for at least... Kennedy.
I'm trying to play it, but...
I have been stirring this rice for at least 30 minutes, and I forgot to mention that you need to cover your rice. I'm so sorry. You can leave it a little open, and then you basically, whenever you see like the little dots starting to come in it and it's still not done, then you need to add more water to compensate, and then just keep going and keeping it low on a simmer. So this is now what it looks like.
It's porridge from Goldilocks.
That's right. And then I made some broccoli to go with it. And then over here, these are my garnishes. I'm doing onions, cilantro, some bell peppers, avocado, tomatoes, and then I'm going to show you the sauces and a little bit of herbs I put on top. All right. And what I love about congee is that I allow everyone to serve themselves. So I put everything in serving trays, and then what makes it even easier is that when I am done, I'm just going to put lids on everything and put it in the fridge, which makes for easy cleanup. And then I've added a bunch of different sauces. So we've got some sriracha mayo, some hoisin, some bone-sucking yaki, which is a really good teriyaki sauce. We've got a Japanese barbecue, which is probably my favorite, a Korean barbecue, and then I like to throw some sesame seeds on top of everything. And there you have
You're
it.
a princess.
Congee. And dinner is served.
You're a princess. Where are those?
It's the sesame seeds.
Yeah, that's good, Kenna.
I think you're good. Are you good?
That's good, that's good.
I want my seeds, man.
Oh my gosh. How is it?
Great, as always.
So there you have it.
So true.
Kenny's pretty basic when it comes to her congee, but she will ask for it daily.
I absolutely love congee.
Alright, so my bowl is full. This is what it looks like when it's not quite stirred together. And you fill it up, and all good. I like adding the seeds and stuff. I just think it makes the bowl pretty, and having different colors of your veggies also makes the bowl look appetizing.
I want more tomatoes. Geez.
Why are you yelling, baby?
Okay.
Serving herself. Are you gonna serve yourself? There you go. Okay, so it is still night 1 of auditions for Kennedy, and currently she is working on learning the tricks from earlier today that she will have to perform tomorrow. And she's having a little bit of trouble, but we are going to work through it, right? Because we figure it out. That is right. And we never say can't, ever.
Ever.
Because can't does not get you to be where you want to be.
What about if I say I can't open the window?
Then you won't be able to do it.
So you're gonna open it.
Huh?
You're gonna have to open it.
Yeah, because when you give yourself that mindset, and that's what happens. When you can't do what you are actually capable of
You
doing.
can only say can.
You give yourself
You can
a
only say
mind block,
can.
and then you're
I
never going to
can.
be able to do it. That's
I
right.
can.
That's
No,
correct.
that means the
Only
word.
say can. All right. And I told Kennedy for every time she says can't, she owes me $1.
No. What about if I ran out all my money and I'm gonna have to give you it?
Then you'll be in debt.
What does that mean?
It means you'll owe me when you get more. All right. So she's learning a jazz routine and a lyrical piece. She knows the jazz one. The lyrical needs a little help, but we're almost there. Right? Right. Okay. Let's see how it goes tomorrow.